Hi guys, I have a Eldorado, Cadillac Eldorado from '92, and I'm going to show you how to change this seatbelt holder. First thing, move the seat as much forward as possible. It's just hold down by one bolt and then a electric connector. Flip the seat over like that. Use the proper tool and the proper size. And just get in there and loosen the bolt. It's kind of hard when holding the camera. Like that. Then if you have a connector, loosen it too, and it should be connected to this white thing over here. Attach the new one and the bolt. Remember to really tighten it up with both hands. Connect the connector and you're good to go.